Today we're going to start a process of fixing up this 2004 Nissan Sentra. And the sun literally just now peeked up above the trees to make this shot incredibly overlit. Well, that's all she wrote. It's got so little power, I can't drive it in the building. Maybe that's a good thing with how much it smokes. We'll winch it in. No big deal. Alright, I got it on a baby set of cribs right now, just to get it up off the ground a little bit. I got the hood off, and we can see exactly what we're working with here. Plan today, I just want to get the motor out and get it back outside so I can start stripping the interior. So, like I said, by the end of the day, hopefully this motor's out. Alright, I just want to document this before I wipe it all up. I'm draining the transmission, and this stuff shot all the way over here. And if you look really close, half of it is like separating from itself, and it's super, that, you know, the stuff that's separating is super thin, and it smells like brake fluid. It literally, like this stuff, that smells like gear oil, but like the lighter stuff, that smells like brake fluid, and it feels, it's hard to describe. If you ever had brake fluid on your hands, you know exactly what it feels like. It feels like brake fluid. I don't know if there was brake fluid in this trans or if it's just a really weird oil, but we're definitely going to open up that transmission, see what it looks like inside, just to make sure the next owner's not going to have any issues with this car. Just got this and put it up on the wall so I can better track when it's a good day to paint and which reducers and activators to run. As you can tell by the humidity, not a good day to paint. Man, oh, it's hot. Look at this. Oh, yeah, that's right, it's backwards for you.
That's right, it's backwards for you.
82 degrees Fahrenheit, 78% humidity. So, engine's out. Bay is empty. This thing's gonna sit under the awning, and we're gonna strip the bay, strip the suspension. I got my bins. They all have the various stages. These are things that are getting painted after aluminum oxide blasting, powder coated after aluminum oxide blasting. These are getting bead blasted to give it that clean, shiny metal look with no paint.
just calling to say I